Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update the accessibility features for Google Vids. So you're in Google Vids and you're concerned that maybe people who need extra assistance interacting with your videos may need some extra tools enabled. If you go to Tools and you click on Accessibility, you can turn on screen reader support. So if somebody has a need to use a screen reader, that will be functional during your Google Vids. You can turn on Braille support, collaborator announcements, and you can even turn on a screen magnifier for people who may need assistance reading text if it's a little too small for them on the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.